The equation for a linear function can be graphed by plotting points for two ordered pairs that make the equation true. Then, a line can be drawn through the 2 points. To find the first ordered pair that satisfies the equation, substitute a value for x into the equation to find the corresponding value for y. For example, substituting x equals 0 into the equation results in y equals -2. So, one ordered pair that makes this equation true is 0, -2. This process can be repeated by substituting x equals 2 into the equation, which results in y equals 4. So, a second ordered pair that makes this equation true is 2, 4. Next, these two ordered pairs can be plotted on the coordinate grid. Then, a line can be drawn through the 2 points to graph this linear equation. This line is called the graph of this linear equation because every point on the line represents an ordered pair that makes the equation true. Note, the arrows on the ends of the line mean that the line extends beyond this coordinate grid. That is, there are ordered pairs beyond the coordinate grid that also make the equation true. When a linear equation is in the form y equals mx plus b, the y-intercept and the slope can be used to graph a line. For example, in the following linear equation, the y-intercept is 5 and the slope is -2. Since the y-intercept is the value of y when x equals 0, the y-intercept is represented by the ordered pair and point on the line 0, 5. Using the y-intercept as a starting point, a slope of -2, or -2/1 in fraction form, can be used to plot an additional point on the line. This point can be plotted by interpreting the slope -2/1 as follows: a change in x of 1 and a change in y of -2. Then, a line can be drawn through the 2 points to graph this linear equation.